Now, white-bellied sea eagle, also known as the white-breasted sea eagle, or king of the sea. It is a white plumage from its head down to its underparts, and its wings and back are dark gray in color. But wait, there's more! Here comes the fighter of silver, Marina! Now, white-bellied sea eagle can grow up to 75 or 85 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 180 to 220 centimeters. The scientific name for this bird is Heliatus leucocastor. Now, these types of birds of prey can be found in the skies of Australia, Southeast Asia, India, and Sri Lanka. The white-bellied sea eagle, they mainly eat fish, sea snakes, small turtles, and mammals. Their lifespan in the wild, they can live up to 20